Hi, it's Katie, and in this video we're discussing the specifications of the SSH MultiPro roof panel roll forming machine from NewTek Machinery. We'll explore the profiles available with this machine, how much coil the SSH can hold, machine speed, and why these specifications are important to know before buying a portable roll former. The SSH MultiPro is our mid-tier machine designed for residential and light commercial use. It's a great option for contractors with metal roofing projects on a regular basis, anyone interested in getting into chop and drop manufacturing, or those looking for a faster machine than our residential machine, the SSR MultiPro Junior, without the higher price tag of our flagship SSQ2 MultiPro. First, let's talk about which profiles are available for the SSH. There are 7 residential and light commercial profiles total, 2 mechanical seam, 4 snap lock, and 1 specialty panel. With the SSH, you can make 1-inch and 1.5-inch snap lock and mechanical seam profiles and a T-panel. Check newtekmachinery.com for a list of current available profiles. Next, let's look at the maximum coil weight, coil widths, and finished panel widths for the SSH. Understanding these numbers will help you purchase the right material dimensions from your coil supplier based on the profile you want to produce. If you have an overhead reel rack on your SSH, it can support up to 2 3,000-pound coils for a total weight of 6,000 pounds. Material gets used up when forming the male and female legs of a profile. For example, most panels use between 4 inches and 6 inches of material to create a specific profile, so a 20-inch wide coil would make a 16-inch wide finished panel. The SSH can support coils 14 to 24 inches wide and produce profiles with a finished panel width of 10 to 20 inches depending on the profile selected. The maximum coil diameter your SSH can hold is 32 inches with an overhead reel rack and 45 inches using the freestanding decoiler. When it comes to types of materials, the SSH can form 28 gauge to 24 gauge painted, galvalume, and coated galvanized steel. NTM recommends 50 KSI maximum for 24 gauge and 50 KSI is recommended, but 80 KSI is acceptable with adjustments for 28 to 26 gauge steel. You can also run between 0.027 inch and 0.040 inch painted aluminum and 16 to 20 ounce 3/4 hard copper. You may need to make limited adjustments when switching between material types and thicknesses. The SSH has the option of either a gas or electric quick change power pack, allowing you to efficiently switch power sources based on the requirements of your shop or job site. It can operate at approximately 60 feet per minute, double the speed of the smaller SSR MultiPro Junior machine. Its shear and 8 polyurethane drive rollers are hydraulically driven. Finally, let's talk about the SSH machine's footprint. This will help you understand the towing requirements, overhead lifting requirements, space the machine could take up at a job site, or its dimensions if you want to mount the machine in your shop or install it on your own trailer. Without a trailer, the SSH weighs 2,360 pounds, is 12 feet 10 inches long, and 4 feet 10.5 inches wide. This machine is 4 feet 3 inches tall with the overhead reel rack, and 2 feet tall without the overhead reel rack. On an NTM trailer, the SSH weighs 4,620 pounds, is 18 feet and 11 inches long, 7 feet 2.5 inches wide, and 6 feet 3 inches high with an overhead reel rack. There are also various add-ons and accessories you can get for your machine at an additional cost. Please talk to any of our account managers for help choosing the right machine configuration, or check out newtekmachinery.com to see what's available. When considering adding a portable roof panel machine to your business operations, having a clear understanding of the machine's footprint, capabilities, and features are essential to ensure you're getting the most suitable machine for your setup and operations the first time around. Thanks for watching, and check out our YouTube channel or the Roll Forming Learning Center for new content.